Today I'm going to show you how to message someone on X, which used to be Twitter, in just a few simple steps. If you've ever wanted to start a private conversation, ask a question, or connect with someone directly on the platform, this guide will walk you through it clearly and quickly. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open X and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the chat or messages icon. This is where all of your direct messages are handled. Go ahead and click Chat to open your inbox. After that, you'll see a list of people you can message or existing conversations you've already started. Now click on the person you want to chat with. If you've messaged them before, their conversation may already be there. If not, you may need to search their name or username, depending on what options X gives you on your device. Once you've selected the correct person, you'll see the message box appear. This is where you can type your message. Take a moment to make sure you're messaging the right account, especially if the person has a similar profile name. When you're ready, type your message into the text field. Keep it clear and simple, whether you're saying hello, asking a question, or continuing an existing conversation. Then just hit Send Message. Your message will be delivered instantly, and the other person can reply whenever they see it. That's really all there is to it. Click Chat, choose the person you want to talk to, type your message and send it. It's quick, easy, and once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides on X, social media, and everyday apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.